আমি এখন নেক্সট টপিকে যাচ্ছি, সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে কম্পোনেন্টস অফ এ সি প্রোগ্রাম। আমরা যদি সি প্রোগ্রাম, যে কোনো সি প্রোগ্রাম করতে যাই, প্রত্যেকটা সি প্রোগ্রামে অ্যাকচুয়ালি সি ইনস্ট্রাকশনসগুলো বা কোডগুলো বা সি যে আমরা ইনস্ট্রাকশন লাইন্সগুলো লিখি, এগুলি অ্যাকচুয়ালি কী দিয়ে তৈরি? দ্য কম্পোনেন্টস আর অ্যাকচুয়ালি কল্ড টোকেন, means smallest individual units of a program. Any kind of C lines, whatever line we are writing, each and every C line consists of following components or smallest individual units or token. Smallest individual units is called token or components. These are the things which are actually used to build a C program. Each and every C program line consists of these components. Outside of these components, nothing will be there. Every C line, প্রত্যেকটা সি লাইন, ইনস্ট্রাকশন লাইন্স এর বাইরে আর কিছু দিয়ে তৈরি হয় না। এই কম্পোনেন্টস বা বলতে পারো কম্পোনেন্টস, অর ইউ ক্যান সে ইট এজ এ টোকেন। এই টোকেন্সগুলির ইউজ করেই একটা সি লাইন তৈরি হয়। Each and every C instruction lines are composed of these tokens. What are the tokens or components? First of all, you can use letters. Letters means A to small z or capital A to capital Z. You can use, or digits 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Any kind of digits, combination of digits, letters. White space. White space means blank space, new line, tab. I will come later what will be these. I will define it later, but now you only understand that what are the components or what are the tokens required for writing a C program. A C program consists of letters, digits, white space, keywords, identifiers, constants, special symbols, operators and strings. These are the tokens or smallest individual units or components of a C program line or C program. White space means blank space, new line, tab, etc. Keywords means specific some words which have specific meanings in C language. Keywords means special kind of words which has a specific meaning in C language. These are called keywords. Like int for taking integer value, that means 0 to 9 any kind of value. Int for int identifies only digits. Char is only used for character. Taking any kind of character means char. Char means character. The meaning of char always will be to symbolize a character. Int will always be used for symbolizing digits, integer numbers, whole numbers. Float means always symbolized floating number, fraction numbers or pointers numbers like 10.2, any numbers with pointers, 5.8, etc. Characters means any A, B, C, D, or integer means 0, 1, 2, 3, 23, 25, any whole numbers or digits. For means, for is a special word which has a special meaning in C language. I will come to later what is for. It is used to make a loop. For it is used to make repetition of work. Any work repeatedly you can use repetition or looping system for any looping system. Looping means to do a work repeatedly. You can do this using the for. For is specially dedicated for making loops. Else means it is also dedicated for making any decisions in C. Else has a separate meaning. Break also has a specialized separate meaning. If also has a specialized separate meaning. So special meaningful word is called keyword. Certain specific meanings are there for each and every keywords. Okay. Identifiers means any kind of variables names or array names or functions names. In my first part I have already given you the example that function 1 f1 f2 is my function. So giving any function name or giving any blank memory cells name, like in my first part I have told you x y z, these are called variables name. Any kind of variables name, arrays name, functions names are called identifiers. Any constants means already I have discussed in my previous point topic. Constant means giving fixed values, contains always fixed values. I have given these fixed values by using hash define noun 20 in my last topic. I have already said any fixed value is given by constants. Constants means giving a fixed value to a blank memory cell by using hash define, or you can write like const a variable name equal to your value. Suppose const a equal to 10, that means a holds a fixed value called 10. How I can understand that this is a fixed value? By this keyword. It is also a keyword, const. Const is specially specify a fixed value to a variable, or either you can write like hash define. Using hash define or using const, it is a keyword, it is a preprocessor directive. It is a preprocessor directive, already I have told in my past point topic. This is also called keyword, which is used to give a special fixed value to a variable. Here it is 10 to a. A always hold 10. Num always contains 20. This is fixed value. So constant means giving a fixed value. Special symbols or characters. Some special symbols or characters used in C language. These are hash, ampersand sign, star sign, question mark sign, backslash, forward slash, first bracket, third bracket, angular bracket, comma, dollar sign, etc. Or you can say second bracket also, curly brace or second bracket, etc. These are called special symbols. Strings means group of characters like hello, HELLO. H is a character, E is a character, L is also a character, L is also a character. How much characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters are altogether called a strings. Group of characters like hello, Java. Here how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 characters altogether makes a strings. In strings means writing group of characters altogether, making a word. That is hello, Java, students, any kind of name. Okay, group of characters means strings. These are all used to make a C program instruction lines. Apart from these, nothing is used in C programs to make a instruction lines. Okay, so this is called components of a C program. Okay.